Aqara Wireless Mini Switch. Aqara Wireless Mini Switch is a remote control switch with compact design and low energy consumption. Use single press, double press, and long press to control various smart accessories. Remove the insulation tab. Open Aqara Home app. Tap Home and then tap Plus at the top right corner to enter Add Accessory page. Select Wireless Mini Switch. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Ready to connect to child devices.
long press the reset button for 3 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release. When hearing the hub voice prompt,
Child device connected.
then the accessory is successfully added to the network. After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Aqara Home app or in the Apple Home app. Single press the reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed.
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Option 1. Place the accessory directly in the desired location. Option 2. Remove the protective film and stick the accessory to the surface at the desired location. Open the Aqara Home app and go to the accessory list page. Single press the reset button on the accessory. The hub will prompt.
Normal link confirmed.
In the app, the corresponding accessory icon will flash, confirming the match between the actual accessory and the corresponding accessory in the app. Prepare a new CR2032 cell battery. Prepare a coin. Align the coin with the battery cover dent. Rotate the battery cover counterclockwise until hearing a click, and remove the battery cover. An existing battery. Place the new button cell battery in the battery slot. Please make sure that the positive side of the battery should face upwards. Align the battery cover with the bottom of the wireless mini switch. Use a coin to rotate the battery cover clockwise until hearing a click sound. The battery cover is successfully attached.